A major legal battle is brewing over one of the most contested properties anywhere in the Dayton region. Good evening, I'm Mark Allen.
Good evening, I'm Katie Houston. Dan Edwards has been looking into it. He spoke with the developer about the unprecedented legal action that he's taking to get this multi-million-dollar project back on track. Our top story is one you'll see only on 2 News.
Well, the battle between the city of Centerville and Sugar Creek Township over the annexed Dille property rages on.
The property, Dan, is still tied up in litigation from the initial annexation.
Well, the annexation, which occurred in 2006, allowed Centerville to annex the 156 acres of pristine woods and farmland at the corner of Wilmington Pike and Feedwire Road.
Because it was a Type 2 annexation, the city of Centerville is not entitled to all of the income tax, and they're battling over still the shares of the income tax that go to the township or the city.
Well, the stakes are high as the property, which also includes 71 acres just east of Wilmington Pike near Miami Valley Hospital South, is worth an estimated $15 million.
In the last 2 years, we've been attempting to negotiate, of course, zoning and the development financing, the traffic improvements that would be made in and around the development.
Now, Ober tells me that those required traffic improvements to Feedwire, Wilmington Pike, and 675 interchanges are unprecedented and would balloon the cost of the project to over $27 million. They also disagree on what should be developed. Centerville is opting for upscale stores that you might see at the Green, which Ober says are unrealistic.
The problem is this is such a small market, you can't reproduce or duplicate or compete with some of those kinds of developments.
But Ober tells me he has found a legal loophole to get this project moving again. A state statute that says if after 5 years an annexed property has not been developed for its intended use, that the owners can petition the court to detach the property from the annexing city.
In this case, since we have not been able to come to an amicable agreement, we've made that petition with the Greene County courts this past Friday. The reason that we're filing the motion to detach is those negotiations have stalled.
Well, he tells me if the judge approves the petition, he will proceed to develop the property in partnership with the family and Sugar Creek Township, taking the city of Centerville out of the mix. In Sugar Creek Township, Dan Edwards, 2 News.
And earlier today, we did reach out to Centerville City Manager Greg Horn, who told us that he had not seen the notice to detach petition and could not comment at this time, but he did say that he would get back to us after he had a chance to review it.